If your Apple TV 4K's Siri Remote's volume buttons, such as the volume up, volume down or mute button is not working on any smart TV including Hisense, Sony, TCL, LG or Samsung TV, then stay tuned and I'll show you how to get your Apple TV Remote to control volume in less than a minute. As you can see, we can control our Apple TV using the Siri Remote, but the only thing that doesn't work are the volume control buttons, even though our Apple TV box responds to it. If you're facing the same issue, then the first thing that you should do is go to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, scroll all the way down to Volume Control, and make sure that it's not turned off. If it's turned off, then you can simply select it to Auto and it should start working. Now if you go back, you'll see that volume control is selected via infrared. So now make sure to point your Apple TV Remote towards your TV and try increasing, decreasing, and muting or unmuting your TV. It has started working for us, but in your case, if it's still not working, then you can go to volume control and select one option manually. So for example, if infrared isn't working, then you can select HDMI, but make sure that you have HDMI CC enabled and your Apple TV plugged into the HDMI ARC or eARC port. After that, check whether your TV responds to your Apple TV Remote, and in this case, you won't have to point it towards your TV. And if it responds, just select TV responded, and now you're good to go. But if your Apple TV Remote still won't let you control the volume, then to fix it, you can simply unpair it and then pair it back to your Apple TV. To do that, you'll need to press and hold the Home or TV button and the volume down button together for 5 to 10 seconds. Then release it. And after that, it will say Remote Disconnected. Now you'll have to press some buttons on your remote again, and after a second, the remote will pair back to your Apple TV. Now the volume control should start working for all of you. Let us know which step worked for you, and if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more useful guides, and I'll see you around.